Create high-integrity pipe connections that measure up to your professional standards, exceed your expectations, and possibly even change the way you think of pipe and tube joining technology. Begin by cutting your pipe to within 5 degrees of square. Insert the Lokring multi-purpose gauge over the pipe and verify the maximum outside diameter. This ensures the pipe will fit inside the fitting and is within specification. Using a 120 grit abrasive cloth, sand the pipe sealing zone in a circumferential direction, thoroughly cleaning the surface and removing scratches. The sealing zone equals 1.5 times the diameter of the pipe. If deep pits and scratches persist, use a 60 grit followed by 120 grit cloth. Using the caliper or half-moon side of the Lokring multi-purpose gauge, verify that the pipe's outside diameter is not undersized, and then mark the ends of the pipe with an installation and inspection mark. With that step completed, you can select and assemble the required Lokring tool. Inspect and cycle the tool to ensure proper function. Position the fitting with half the install mark visible. Now you're ready for the Lokring fitting installation, with the fitting seated firmly in the tool jaw. As a final step, carry out 3 visual checks to verify a successful installation. 1. The inspect mark should be partially covered. 2. The fitting body should protrude from underneath the swage ring. 3. The drive ring should be uniformly pulled up against the tool flange. A proven, permanent pipe and tube connection, safer to use in hazardous environments, and considered a weld-equivalent solution by the marketplace. Lokring meets or exceeds all leading global technical specifications, standards, and approvals. Faster, safer, stronger, and a great way to improve your bottom line. Lokring pipe connection technology, here for good.